Welcome back to Yoruba Life TV. Today we are exploring a powerful and exciting topic. How do you know if an Orisha is trying to reach out to you? Sometimes the signs are subtle, other times they are unmistakable. But if you pay close attention, the divine messages are everywhere. Let's uncover the most common signs that an Orisha is calling you. Sign 1. Reoccurring symbols and natures. One of the most common signs that an Orisha is reaching out is the appearance of reoccurring symbols in your daily life. For example, do you keep seeing the color yellow or gold everywhere? These are not coincidences. They are divine signals. Each Orisha has specific symbols and colors associated with them. Shango often appears with thunderbolt or color red. When these signs keep appearing, it's a sign the spirit is trying to get your attention. Sign 2. Unexplained urges or interest. Have you ever felt an intense desire to learn about a specific Orisha without knowing why? Maybe you suddenly feel drawn to stories, songs, or rituals related to Oshun or Ogun, for instance, and you can't explain where this interest comes from. This is a powerful sign. Your spirit is trying to guide you toward that Orisha. Trust those feelings. Your inner voice or intuition is showing you the path you are meant to follow. Sign 3. Dreams and visions. Dreams are one of the most profound ways the divine communicates. If you start dreaming of a particular Orisha, perhaps you see her in a vibrant color, holding her symbols, or performing rituals. That is a clear sign she's trying to connect with you. Keep a dream journal and write down everything you remember. Notice recurring themes or images. These are messages from the spiritual realm, guiding you toward your guardian Orisha. Sign 4. Nature. Nature often speaks to us through signs. Pay attention to the natural environment. Sometimes a particular animal or weather pattern will appear at just the right moments. These are divine messages. Sign 5. Inner feelings and intuition. Sometimes the signs are subtle but powerful. An inner feeling that guides you. Do you feel a deep, inexplicable attraction or connection to a certain Orisha? Maybe you feel comforted when you see a specific color or symbol. Trust that inner voice. Your intuition is a divine compass guiding you toward your spiritual calling. Sign 6. Unexplained miracles or blessings. Life can sometimes surprise us with unexpected blessings, solutions to long-standing problems, sudden opportunities, or moments of clarity in difficult times. These miracles might be signs that an Orisha is walking through you or supporting your journey. Be grateful and attentive. These blessings often come with messages. Sign 7. Offerings and sacred items appearing unexpectedly. Sometimes you might find shells, feathers, or small in unexpected places, like your home, on your path, or during walks. These natural objects are often symbols sent by an Orisha. Making offerings or setting intentions during prayer can also invite their presence, and the signs will become clearer as your connection deepens. Remember, these signs are unique to each person. Pay attention to what resonates with your heart and intuition. The divine is always reaching out, sometimes gently, sometimes loudly. But the key is to remain open, receptive. Your Orisha might be calling you right now, guiding you toward your highest good. Trust your instincts, observe your surroundings, and stay patient. If you recognize any of these signs in your life, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about developing your connection with your Orisha, stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, the divine is always near, waiting for you to listen. Stay blessed, stay aware, and keep seeking your spiritual truths. Bye for now.